Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Ukrmon Air ATX PC frame. This case is designed for enthusiasts who want to showcase their components and push their systems to the limit. First impressions are strong. The frame is constructed from a substantial 8mm thick aviation magnesium aluminum alloy. The sandblasted and hard anodized finish gives it a premium look and feel. It definitely feels durable and well-made. The open-air design is not just for aesthetics. It provides excellent airflow, which is crucial for overclocking and keeping temperatures down. The Ukrmon case supports a wide range of motherboards, including ATX, MATX, IDX, and even single-channel ATX. This versatility is a major plus. Storage options are also plentiful, with support for up to 6 hard drives, whether you prefer mechanical drives or solid-state drives. Water cooling enthusiasts will appreciate the integrated support for various radiator sizes, including 120mm, 140mm, 240mm, 280mm, and 360mm. This makes it easy to build a custom water-cooled loop to maximize cooling performance. The case also supports standard ATX power supplies, which is convenient. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a screw box, a double USB 3.0 cable, a stainless steel switching power supply wire, metal graphics card support columns, a water cooling support, and foot pads. The inclusion of the graphics card support columns is a nice touch, as they help prevent GPU sag. One thing to keep in mind is that this is an open-air case, so it's not going to offer the same level of dust protection as a traditional closed case. However, the improved airflow and ease of access to components more than make up for this in many situations. Overall, the Ukrmon Air ATX PC frame is a great option for anyone looking to build a high-performance, visually stunning PC. The build quality is excellent, the design is well thought out, and it offers plenty of flexibility for customization. If you're serious about overclocking or water cooling, this case is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.